Alright, we officially made it to Saratoga. It was a bit of a challenge. We ran into some obstacles, but only stuff that's going to make us more awesome in the future. So here's this lovely little town. Here's the Falcon, loaded down with some gear, some standing water. But we are golden, man. We are straight in Saratoga, Wyoming, after long last. Alright. Ryan just encountered a snake. And now we are climbing up this ever so carefully so as to go see this headstone atop this mountain.
Oh yes, this is our path, guys.
Watching guys guarding like an AK.
Yeah, dude, that's what I'm worried about. Is like there's a house up on this ridge.
Dude, this is serious copperhead country right here.
Oh yeah, dude.
Serious rattler. Watch your steps, guys.
Oh, dude, I'm watching every single one. Wow, look at that. Unbelievable.
The Overland Trail.
Trail.
Dude, there are
Platte River crossing, erected in memory of those brave pioneers who passed this way to win and hold the West. This site a gift to Wyoming from Ella Mary Davis and family in memory of her husband, pioneer, banker, merchant, and stockman of Carbon County.
So what good is a freaking historic site?
There's some power lines up there. We should probably get out of here pretty quick.
Oh, we're allowed to see this.
Wow, dude, scope it out.
This was the Platte River crossing.
The thing that's incredible is that you can't see this site if you're just a normal Joe who doesn't like the outdoors.
Yeah, true that.
This historic site you'll never see. Dude, I would love to like dig one up. That's what I was thinking.
That's so disrespectful, but
Dig up a body from like the 1800s.
But dude, if there's like a freaking like stash of gold,
they don't even actually say anything on the headstones, do they?
they probably do. I wonder if a child would be very good.
Well, what if it's just like maybe they're just like memorials, they're not actual graves, you know? But it's kind of weird that the bushes grew right next to them, like they had nutrients. Yeah, the ants didn't mind.
Well, dang, bros, we came, we saw, we conquered. Okay, here we are at our stopping point for today. We are at a rest stop that you cannot see at all on my iPod. But this is a picnic table right here, the concrete one. Here's Ryan's chair, he's right there. Here's Jared over here, putting his shoes on. Let's see if I can get any footage over here. A little bit, not much, but not much going on really. There's Ryan over here, getting all his gear unpacked. It's about 9:45. It's been a very long day, and we are looking to get some shut-eye and some food in us.
out there, and all I saw was this tree, and I was like, oh my gosh, there is a tornado coming to our booth.
Dude, I've never seen anything.
Oh, dude, I know. I saw that tree, dude, and I was like, we have a big problem on our hands.
Dude, I was like, oh my gosh, we gotta get inside that little hut up there.
I've never seen a wind like that in my ever. Like that is an uncensored Wyoming wind. That's what that was.
That wind was fierce.
It was fierce.
We are hobos.
This is our cabana. We are living the lap of luxury in our cabana at the Fort Steele rest stop in Wyoming.
Where I-80 meets the North Platte River.
Where I-80 meets the North Platte River.
The boat is docked under that bridge over there.
Yes, the boat is docked underneath that bridge right there.
Unless the hurricane.
Unless Hurricane Steele blew it away. Here we are, where we stashed our canoe last night under this here bridge, which was a pretty cool little happening. Here's our trusty map and Jared. Here's the Falcon. Yet another night. Is the pump underneath this thing, dudes? Alright, cool. And here we are, safe and sound, back at the Honda at Dugway Recreation Site. We went, how far, Jared?
I checked the map. It's over 100 miles.
Over 100 miles along the North Platte River.